10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launching. Animation in 3, 2, 1, trigger.
Oh man, check it out. I've always been amazed at how different an image looks when you put it inside the red border of time. And what's interesting about this is that the image is actually the border of time. I've looked at that border and logo every single day on a flat screen monitor, and to see it up in the sky at 400 feet in the air, it just is, it was very moving for me. Just to see it flying above you was really special.
Drones are returning home.
Big drone's coming home.